Almost all commercial transactions that have an interest component related to them are done using compound interest. What is compound interest? With compound interest, the principal or capital amounts are dynamic and they change in accordance with the interest that accrues. Let's again illustrate this with a couple of examples. Our first example, you deposit $100,000 in the bank for 3 years. The bank states that they will pay you compound interest at 10%. After the first year, the interest earned is $10,000, the capital is $110,000. That capital amount of $110,000 is treated as the opening principal in the second year. That means in the second year, the 10% interest will be calculated on $110,000, resulting in interest earned in the second year being $11,000 and the closing capital amount at the end of year 2 being $121,000. At the end of year 2, the amount is carried over as the opening principal in year 3. That means interest in year 3 is calculated on $121,000. That results in interest being $12,100. At the end of year 3, the capital amount is $103,100. So with compound interest, the interest is added on to the original principal. Let's do a second example. You deposit $300,000 in the bank for 4 years. The bank states that they will pay you compound interest at 12% per annum. In the first year, the interest earned is $36,000, resulting in the capital of $336,000 at the end of the first year. This is the opening balance of the second year, $336,000. That means the interest earned in year 2 is calculated on $336,000 and it results in a capital amount at the end of year 2 of $376,320. That's the carried on figure for the opening balance in year 3. And so on and so on and so on. So that by the end of the 4th year, the amount of your capital, the original principal with the interest added on and compounded, is equivalent to $472,055. That is your compound interest.